Hi friends, doing something a little different this time. So this week we will be writing a paper and we will be making a presentation, okay? Miss G's going to show you how to do that, of course. But for now, what we're going to do is go over what to do for our paper, okay? Hi.
So, Miss G's trying something new. So, friends, again, this week what we're doing are two things. We're going to write a paper about then and now. This time, though, you can choose. You can choose something from school then and now. You can choose something from home then and now. You can choose something from transportation then and now. Or you can choose something from communication then and now. If you don't remember anything in those books, you could be like, it was so long ago. That's fine. That's why Miss G's going to go through all the different things we talked about today. Tomorrow we'll actually write the paper, and we're doing it just like the topic sandwich: 4 sentences, a topic sentence, your information in the middle about long ago and now, and your conclusion. And then, of course, you draw, right? We draw, we label, all the wonderful things we do for a paper. Then, the next day after that, Wednesday, we'll talk about how to present. Now, you're presenting your paper. What does that mean? That means you're going to read it to Miss G in the video, a short video, and you're just telling me what you wrote and what you drew. It has to be a short video, friends, because it's a little hard to send long videos, so you're going to have to make it a minute or under. You're going to need your parents' help for that as well, but we'll get to that in time. For now, focus on the paper, okay? Remember, you're choosing one of the topics, and please do not choose something you already wrote about. Miss G will know if you chose that topic before. Choose something different, okay? Choose something new. So the main topic for this was school has changed over time. So let's look at all the ways school has changed over time. Long ago, students walked to school. Now they take the bus. Friends, you might remember everything, and that's okay, but going through this and looking at the pictures, you might want to choose something different. So please pay attention to the whole entire thing so that you can really decide which one you want to do. We're still in school. Long ago, students were in one room. Now students are in lots of rooms. Long ago, students were different ages in a class. Now students are the same age in the class. Remember, friends, when it's red, what does that mean? That means it's Miss G's. Miss G's going to choose this one. So you guys have to choose something different. You can still choose school has changed over time, but you'll have to choose one of the other things, okay? So we're just going through it now. Just start thinking about which one you want to choose. We're still in school. School has changed over time. Long ago, students wrote on slates. Now, students write in notebooks. Long ago, students wrote with chalk. Now, students write with pencil. Long ago, students did reading, writing, and arithmetic. Now, students do science and social studies. So we did school, now we're in home. Home in America has changed over time. Long ago, there were oil lamps. Now, there is electricity. Long ago, we used ice boxes. Now, we have refrigerators. Long ago, we used wood-burning stoves. Now, we use gas stoves or electric stoves. Long ago, we used outhouses. Now, we use bathrooms. And I found a funny picture of a bathroom. Transportation has changed over time. So this is what we did for transportation then and now. Long ago, we rode in wagons. Now, we use trucks. Long ago, we had streetcars. Now, we ride the subway. Long ago, we needed explorer boats. Now we have vacation boats. Long ago, the trains on the track were slow. Now trains go fast. Long ago, there was the first car. Now there are lots of cars. Long ago was the first airplane. Now we have high-flying airplanes. Long ago, we wrote with pictures. So now we're in communication then and now. Communication has changed over time. Long ago, we wrote with pictures. Now we write with words. Long ago, we wrote in books, or books were written. Now, books are typed. Long ago, we spoke on the telegraph, or we spoke through the telegraph. Now we use a phone to talk, or we speak through the phone. Long ago, we wrote letters. Now we write emails. Long ago, we listened to the radio. Now we watch TV. Long ago, we used the Pony Express for mail. Now we use a computer. So friends, those were all the different things we did. I want you thinking of which one you want to choose. Now I'm going to go over the different topic sandwiches, okay? The different ones you can choose. Do you have to write the same thing Miss G has here? Absolutely not. You can think of something different. These are just ideas you can use. What you do need is 4 sentences, 1 topic sentence, 2 information, and 1 conclusion. I need 4 sentences, friends. 4. How many? 4. How many? 4. I need 4 sentences, okay? And I need that topic sentence and conclusion so it can hold everything together. If not, you just have some stuff in the middle. If not, you just have a top bun, some bread on top of some stuff. If not, you just have a bottom bun with some stuff in the middle. You need everything to make it that sandwich, okay? Home in America has changed. Long ago, people used outhouses. Now people use bathrooms. Friends, even though Miss G wrote it here, you guys can use that one. That's not the one Miss G is going to write tomorrow. That is how home has changed. First topic sentence, school in America has changed. Now, long ago and now, those were in our charts, so you can go back to look at those. That is how school has changed. Notice the pattern. I say school in America, home in America. That is how. That is how. So you don't really need this, friends. Miss G just has it here so that you guys can remember. But you can see the patterns, and it's easier when you write on your own. Transportation has changed. That is how transportation has changed. Long ago, now, there you go, right? Communication has changed. Long ago, now, that is how communication has changed. So even though these are longer words, if you don't have the exactly the same on your paper, that is okay. Miss G is going to know, all right? So let me explain what's happening this week. Part A, writing assignment. So this week is going to be 2 parts, friends. Part A, you choose 1 topic from our then and now books. That's today. You're just choosing. You're not writing if you don't have to or want to. Tomorrow, you write a paragraph using your topic sandwich. Okay, I have Monday today, Tuesday tomorrow. Part B, presentation. So Wednesday, you will present your paper in the correct order. Now, Wednesday we'll go over how to do that. Miss G will show you. You will point out what you drew, and it has to be under 1 minute. So when you actually do your presentation on Thursday, I need it to be short and sweet and right to the point. If Miss G is presenting her paper, should I talk about what I have for breakfast? No. Should I talk about how much I miss you guys? No. I can talk about that after, maybe during our calls during the week, but not during the presentation. The presentation video is just you guys talking about your paper, okay? You're going to need the help of your parents or maybe an older sibling to help you out. If your parents are around, please let them know. Miss G will also be letting them know so that we can work on this together, okay? But for now, all we're doing is concentrating on writing, okay? Since we finished nice and sweet, let's go over some shout outs. So our first shout out of the day is Crystal. Crystal wrote, Benjamin Franklin invented things we still use today. Long ago, Benjamin Franklin invented bifocals. Now, bifocals help us see and far. See us near and far. See that? Benjamin Franklin's inventions still help us today. So, beautiful job, Crystal. And I see Crystal broke up her sentences to make it easier, right? Kind of like I do with the topic sandwich, friends. So she wrote topic sentence, information, now, and conclusion. So this way, this made it easier for Crystal to keep track of what she was doing. But next time, Crystal, for our next paper, you don't have to write topic sentence, okay? No worries about that. I just want you writing the sentences down here, okay? Just because this is extra writing that you don't have to do. If I see Benjamin Franklin invented things we still use today, I'll know it's a topic sentence. You won't even have to write that, okay? Awesome job, Crystal, and I love your penmanship. Awesome. Now we have Aries. Aries wrote, transportation has changed. Long ago, people rode streetcars. Now, people ride the subway. That is how transportation changed. So, you can see her with her streetcar here, the subway here. Awesome job, Aries. So, for this new assignment, you have to pick something different from this, okay? It can't be the transportation about streetcars. You can pick transportation again, but maybe you should pick the one about trucks or something different, okay? But basically, this is the same thing. You got it down packed, so this should be easy for you, Aries. Nice 4 sentences. You have your whole topic sandwich. Awesome job, Aries. Next up, we have Ariana. Ariana wrote, the little house saw her neighborhood changed. The house is in the city, then bigger houses were around it. That is how her neighborhood had changed. So I can see Aries try to like put the paper together. That's okay. Friends, I know what's happening at home. Like I know it's a little harder to do things at home. I know if we have siblings, sometimes they can like grab stuff from us or maybe mess up our paper. It's okay. This still is great. This still is amazing. And I like how Ariana, I love how Ariana has her labels. Ariana, next time let's do 3 labels. You got 2, let's do 3. And let's do some more details in this beautiful picture, okay? So when we're doing our next paper, Ariana, I want to see more details, 3 labels, and keep it going because you're doing an awesome job. Now we have Jada Lee. Jada Lee wrote, communication has changed. Long ago, a form of communication was by radio. Yes, Jada Lee, I love the way you wrote your sentence. Now, a form of communication is TV. That is how communication has changed. And see how she just drew her picture right under her writing? That's okay too, friends. Miss G understands, like I said before, not everyone has that Wit and Wisdom paper. Not everyone has a box and things. This works too. I can still clearly see what she wrote, so that helps. Maybe Jada Lee, just make your drawing just a tiny bit lower so Miss G can see your beautiful drawing even closer, okay? I do see Kat, I see Jada Lee, and I see the radio, so everyone's listening to the radio in the past. Great job, Jada Lee. Next up, we have Conscious. Conscious wrote, the little house saw her neighborhood change. Skyscrapers were all around her. Trolley cars zoomed past her. That is how her neighborhood changed. And I like the word zoomed. Conscious, good job. You see how he has the skyscrapers? He also has the little house and the little girl. There's your 3 labels, Conscious. Good job. I also like how you drew the detail of the little house. Because at that point, when she had the skyscrapers around her, she wasn't too happy. So I like how he has the little sad face for it. Okay, guys, that is it. Miss you guys. Love you guys. And I will see you tomorrow.